Unleashing the power, SpaceX's Starship and the Super Heavy booster. From the Earth's surface to outer space, an extraordinary journey made possible by SpaceX's Starship. The Super Heavy booster, Starship's key component, rockets it towards the cosmos. The most powerful launch vehicle ever developed by SpaceX. Starship's main stage, Super Heavy, is a story of innovation. With its 30-plus Raptor engines, it lifts Starship beyond our atmosphere. This reusable booster, after separation, returns to Earth. Landing vertically, it embodies a new era of cost-effective, sustainable space travel. The Super Heavy booster doesn't just launch Starship, it gives humanity wings. It navigates the path to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. So, in the grand story of space exploration, the Super Heavy booster plays a colossal role. Through SpaceX's Starship, we reach for the stars.